Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to create a Bumble account. Now let's begin. As you can see, I'm already on the website of Bumble. Do note that what you have to do is simply scroll down, and almost at the bottom, you'll see a button like this. That is sign in. Simply click on it. Then something like this will open up. Do note that you can sign up using your Apple ID, Facebook or phone number. Right now, I'm gonna select the phone number. Do note that you guys can continue with Facebook or Apple. I'm gonna enter my phone number right now. And once everything's okay, simply hit on continue. Once you've done that, you will receive a 6-digit code in the number that you have just entered. I'm gonna enter the code right now. Once you've entered the code, simply hit on continue. Once that's okay, it's gonna ask you to enter your name that will appear in Bumble. Simply enter it. As you can see, I have entered my name. I'm simply gonna hit on continue. Now finally, what I need to do is enter my date of birth. Simply enter your date of birth as well. Once everything's done, hit on continue. Likewise, it's gonna ask for your gender. Simply select the gender and hit on continue. Once everything's done, it's gonna ask you to upload some photos. You can either drag and drop them or simply click on this box right here. Then this will open up. I'm gonna select my photos and upload it right now. Well, as you can see, I have uploaded my photos. Now what I need to do is simply hit on continue. It might ask for your location access, simply allow it. Once everything's okay, it's gonna ask you something like this. We need a location to show you people nearby. I'm simply gonna enter it. Once everything's okay, hit on continue. After that, it's gonna ask you something like this. Choose a mode to get started, either date or BFF. It's up to you. And as you can see, I just clicked on it and this opened up. And do note, once everything's okay, what you need to do is simply download or open Bumble on your mobile phone and simply follow the verification steps. And as you can see, I just verified on my mobile and it says congrats, you're verified. That's how we create an account on Bumble. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.